Welcome to The Lens by AlQuranClasses. In today's video, we will learn how the brain learns and absorbs the Quran, according to neuroscience. Why do some kids learn fast, memorize easily and retain what they've learned, while others learn slowly and forget quickly? Why? And more importantly, what can we do to enhance their learning process? Remember, when your child hears or recites Quranic verses, they listen, see the verses and read with their tongue. Their auditory, visual and motor cortex all begin working. Then they repeat, connect and focus. Repetition is the key to fast learning. And the Quran, it's designed for repetition. And guess what? This is exactly how the brain learns best. It loves patterns, rhythm and emotion, all of which the Quran is full of. But some kids are different. They may be dealing with autism, ADHD, dyslexia or other neurological challenges. They learn more slowly and need extra care and attention. If you want your kids to learn the Quran quickly and retain it, learn these scientific techniques and strategies. Read the detailed article on AlQuranClasses Substack. The link is in the comment section. Happy parenting.